We are pleased to show you the 2022 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.